Hello, today we will guide you through how to create project plan with Confluence. We'll begin from the Confluence overview page for your workspace. This is your starting point, and from here you can access tools, pages, and templates that help you build standardized content more quickly. If your screen looks slightly different, that's normal, since navigation layouts can vary a bit depending on your Confluence setup. Once you're on the overview page, move to the left-hand navigation panel. Scroll down through the menu until you find the More option. This area usually contains additional workspace tools and features that are not shown in the main section of the sidebar. Take a moment to scroll carefully so you don't miss it. When you see More, click it to expand the available options. This opens up additional actions you can use within the space, including access to templates. Templates are helpful because they save time and give you a structured format to work from, which is especially useful when creating planning documents. Next, click on Template. This will open the template library, where you can browse different page formats designed for common use cases, such as meeting notes, project planning, and team documentation. Using a template helps ensure your project plan starts with a clear layout rather than a blank page. Once the template gallery opens, look for the search icon and click it. The search tool is the fastest way to find the exact template you need, especially if there are many options displayed. After selecting the search field, type Project Plan. Be sure to enter the phrase clearly so the correct template appears in the results. When the search results update, find the project plan template and click on it. This opens the template preview, where you can confirm that it matches the type of document you want to create. Reviewing the template before using it is a good habit, since it helps you avoid starting with the wrong format. Finally, click Use Template. This will launch the project plan template and create a new page based on that structure. From there, you'll be ready to begin customizing the page with your own project details, timeline, goals, and key information. And that's all it takes to create a project plan using Confluence's built-in templates. Following this process helps you get started quickly with a professional, organized page that is easier to share and maintain across your team.